Okay. Now, counterintuitive to what you would think you'd want to do here, you actually want to leave town. You need money, and unfortunately you get money outside of town. I wandered around the town for like a good hour and a half until I was finally told, hey, you should probably leave and get money. So, you want to check out, I believe, this clearing. And go to the circus. Which you would have found out from if you like went into the town and went in this back alley where they had an advertisement for it.
I'm getting the cannon, but the gunpowder makes me sneeze.
Well, I can do it. I hurt my hand taming the lions last week.
I hardly think that little scratch compares to my chronic allergy. You get in the cannon.
You don't have any allergies, you faker. You get in the cannon.
No, you get in the cannon.
No, you get in the cannon.
Slacker.
Loser.
Ruffian.
Fop.
Weasel.
Weevil.
Miscreant.
Toady.
Ne'er-do-well.
Why are you guys dressed up in those ridiculous outfits?
A once-in-a-lifetime chance
To perform an amazing feat.
A death-defying feat.
Well, not so death-defying, really.
Dangerous feat.
No, not dangerous at all.
An easy feat.
But exciting.
With the amazing
Adventurous. Acrobatic.
and exceedingly well-known
Fabulous. Flying.
Perugini brothers.
That's us.
My brother Alfredo.
And my brother Bill.
Sound good?
Good.
It's very simple, really.
See that cannon over there? All you have to do,
Is get in the cannon,
and we'll shoot you out of it.
across the room.
Quite safe, actually.
So, what do you say?
This will pretty much get you all the money you need for town.
Okay, I'll do it.
We'll pay you 478 pieces of 8. Have you got a helmet?
Of course I have a helmet. What sort of idiot do you take me for?
And this is why I took the
Let's
pot.
have it.
We want to be sure.
That it's safe.
Wouldn't want you hurt.
No, sorry.
So, pick pot. Hit, what is it? Use the pot on this guy. Oh, misclick. Oh shoot, sorry. What the heck? Okay, maybe it's a different show? Give? Oh, it's probably give pot. Let me see. Okay. There we go.
Ah, that will work as a helmet.
Now we can do the trick.
Step right over here, son.
Ain't no shun.
Now, put on your helmet,
And get in the cannon.
and we'll take care of the rest.
Echo!
Hit.
It works!
Oh, I'm so relieved.
What's so badly?
Hey,
Are you okay?
I'm Bobbin. Are you my mother? Where's my helmet? I'm gonna go with.
Where's my helmet?
it's all right.
It's alright.
Hooray! We are spared an embarrassing and financially debilitating lawsuit.
Here's your money, sir.
Just a recompense for aiding us.
The basic theory is fine.
We just need to change the aim a bit.
I'll try it next.
No, I'll do it next.
No, me.
No, me!
Slacker.
Loser!
Ruffian.
Fop!
Okay, so we're done with here. So now we can actually get our stuff. Just because I have had this game crash a lot, I am going to be saving.
Hey, nice rat.
Do you like rats?
Yes, I love rats.
They're very intelligent creatures.
I'm so lying. What is wrong with
More
these
intelligent
people?
than him. Why, there's a story around these parts that a bunch of rats actually crewed a ship here from fabled Monkey Island.
No, that's not right. It was actually a group of monkeys.
That's difficult to believe.
Yes, but it's true.
Yeah,
When
right.
they arrived, they sold the ship for a pretty penny. Only time I've seen anyone get the better of old Stan in a deal.
I thought it was rats.
I'll just be running along now.
Excuse me, but do you have a cousin named Sven?
What is that? Some sort of code?
Of course it's a code, you idiot. Never mind. Good night. Excuse me, but do... Oh, it's only you again.
I didn't move.
My cousin Sven sends his regards.
I see. Let's talk business. You want to buy a map to the legendary lost treasure of Melee Island? Only one in existence. Rare. Very rare. Only 100 pieces of 8.
I'll take it. It'll make a swell gift.
It's swell.
There you go. You made a wise decision. Now get lost.
I think I've been had. This is no map. It looks like... dancing lessons.
Bleh. Back, left, right, back, right, left, back. Okay. As stupid as it seems, I guess this thing actually was useful. Anyway, continuing on through the city.
No thanks. I'd rather not touch any of this creepy voodoo stuff. I think I hear slithering inside. rubber chicken with a pulley in the middle. What possible use could that have?
Believe it or not, it has a purpose.
Maybe no one will miss just this one thing. Poor little thing. Whatever it was. No thanks. I'd rather not touch any of this creepy voodoo stuff. No thanks. I'd rather not touch any of this creepy voodoo stuff. Now this is the cup of a carpenter.
What may I help you with, son? Wait, don't say anything. I can sense your name is Guybrush. Guybrush nose hair. No. Threepwood. Guybrush Threepwood. Am I not right?
Wow, that was amazing! Do you know any other tricks?
I do not deal in tricks. What I know is the truth. Ah, I sense the guilt of stealing my chicken grows. Take it. It's yours.
Why don't you want it? Is it jinxed with an ancient voodoo curse?
No. The pulley squeaks. So, my mind-reading skills tell me it is your future you are interested in. Are you certain this is something you really wish to know?
Yes, tell me everything that's going to happen to me.
I am getting a vision. I see you taking a voyage, a long voyage. I see you captaining a ship.
Yeah!
I see...
What? See what?
I see a giant monkey.
Yikes!
I see you inside the giant monkey.
Oh, gross.
Wait. It's all becoming clear. Your journey will have many parts. You will see things better left unseen. You will hear things better left unheard. You will learn things better left unlearned.
What kind of things? I hate surprises.
No, the time is not right to know. When you know your purpose, come see me. I will let you know then.
Yikes! Looks comfortable in a spooky sort of way.
Okay, so I think that's everything I had to do here. And that apparently leads to back there. Does this lead anywhere?
Ye old rubber chicken with a pulley in the middle shop.
Wow.
Serving your rubber chicken with the pulley in the middle needs for over 50 years.
What in the world would you need? Oh, never mind. I know the answer to this question.
Hello? Anybody in here? Hello?
You know, bad things could happen to a person in a dark, deserted alley like this one. And at this time of night, nobody would be around to see it.
Yeah, and bad things happen to people who sneak up on other people from behind.
So, you're gonna give me a little attitude, huh? I'd better get your name.
I'm Guybrush Threepwood, and I'm a mighty pirate.
Listen, Peepwood.
Threepwood. Guybrush Threepwood.
Well, whatever your name is, listen. I'm the sheriff around here. Sheriff Fester Shinetop. take it from me. This is a bad time to be visiting Melee Island. A very bad time. My advice to you is to find somewhere else to take your vacation. Somewhere safer.
Boy, I feel much better knowing there's an officer of the law around. Oh, a circus! I love a circus! Oh, a circus!
I was hoping you'd
love
say
a
something
circus.
else. Oh well, guess not. And yeah, I think that's everything here. It's kind of boring. But yeah, that's where you find out about the circus.
You gotta get me out of here! I'm a victim of society!
Not to mention halitosis. Ugh.
Hey, it's hard to keep my breath minty fresh when there's nothing to eat in here but rats.
Okay, so you won't talk to him because his breath stinks. So, I'm leaving. The church didn't really have anything in it. I'm gonna go in after the general store here.
Ahoy there, fancy pants.
Okay, nothing here. There's the sword.
Slashmaster. When you want a sword as sharp as your wit.
Got a special on shovels today.
Go look at the shovel. Is that it? No, that's it? Other than this
Digmaster.
vault?
The only shovel for serious treasure hunting enthusiasts.
Oh,
Are
great.
you waiting for me to fall asleep?
Whoops. Whoops.
Digmaster. The only shovel for serious treasure hunting enthusiasts.
Got a special on shovels today. What do you want?
About this sword.
Yeah, what about it?
Want it.
I want it.
Yeah.
Great. Best 100 pieces of it you ever spent. What else do you want?
About this shovel.
Yeah, what about it?
I want it.
Want it.
Great. Oh, it'll pay for itself, believe me. Yeah, you'll dig up 75 pieces of it in no time. But hey, save some treasure for the rest of us, would you? What else do you want?
I could really use a breath mint.
Whew, you're telling me. Here, take one. Please. Take the whole roll. That'll be 1 piece of 8. What else do you want?
I'm looking for the Swordmaster of Melee Island.
The Swordmaster of Melee Island? Now, I don't know. See, nobody knows the whereabouts of her secret hideout. Nobody except me. I'd have to go and ask her if it's okay to show you the way. I guess I could hike all the way over there. Once. Be right back. And don't touch anything!
Okay. So, what you gotta do is tail this dude. And this is actually where my game froze a lot. So, I'm gonna go kind of slow and hope it doesn't freeze. Okay, hopefully that's slow enough. Oh, no, it froze. Yeah, it froze. Darn it.